Hello dear viewers. I have great news for you today. So far in this channel I was sharing other people's opinions about stock. Today I will talk about my venture into crypto money. Of course, Gateio is the first name that comes to mind when it comes to crypto money. Gateio is the most reliable investment site that I have seen, and it is very easy to become a member. The first crypto money on the market are exhibited at Gateio. In this way, we buy first and then our investments gain a lot of value and we get richer. My advice to you, if you are worried about crypto money, the first place to get membership is Gateio. I left the links in the description, dear friends. So, you can become a member of Gateio now and start investing easily with your credit card. My advice to you is to buy half of the money you invested in GT coins. Because GT is preparing to rise in a short time. Don't miss this opportunity. With the other half, you can invest in newly released coins. So why should we trust Gateio? Gateio protects your funds with both centralized and decentralized methods. It is also the first exchange to invest millions in security and law funds to add extra protection for your assets. As an established exchange with cutting-edge technology, Gateio offers an efficient and convenient trading system as well as an instant deposit and withdrawal service. Gateio has been running stable and reliable for 8 years. By constantly exploring innovative technologies, they strive to provide us with the best trading experience. Gateio, one of the oldest and largest cryptocurrency exchanges, always strictly abides by regulations and never allows market manipulation. They have consistently been open, transparent, and collaborative. So, Gateio is one of the oldest crypto-to-crypto exchange from China operating since 2013. After being rebranded to Gateio in 2017, it is one of the fastest-growing crypto platforms with a leading initial exchange offering platform, numerous cryptocurrencies, margin trading with leverage, and other advanced financial services like margin lending or borrowing. Although it has a powerful trading engine, it is not complicated. The best place to start for new traders is Gateio. Gateio is known as an altcoin exchange, and for a perfect reason. It contains 180 different coins and nearly 400 different cryptocurrency markets. It does not deal with fiat, though. Gateio is ripe with features. You can trade in cryptocurrency markets, margin trade with 10x leverage, margin lend or borrow funds, participate in period investment plans, invest in IEOs via its Gateio startup platform, PIPHL swap contracts, and much more. Like most altcoin exchanges, Gateio is a low-fee service. It's not the lowest fee service on the market, but there are various discounts. A trade on the platform costs 0.2% of the total order amount. Gateio team is security savvy. It was rated as one of the top exchanges in terms of cybersecurity by CER. There are multiple ways users can secure their accounts, and the platform has many built-in security mechanisms, too. Apart from the 24/7 live chat available to all users, it also has an extensive support database which includes a FAQ section as well as new use guide. Alternatively, you can submit support tickets for more elaborate concerns. For its customers, simplicity and ease of use are vital to a versatile exchange like Gate.io. Therefore, the platform uses a similar interface to its main competitors Binance, KuCoin, and others, but Gate.io is much simpler and better than the others. Different parts of the site are relatively easy to navigate, but the variety of features can be overwhelming at first. You can navigate to cryptocurrency markets, margin trading, lending and borrowing, PIP contract trading, financial services, IEO platform or wallets overview directly from the main menu. Sign up now and start earning without wasting too much time.